Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important question, a trigonometry question in that, and a very simple question I am going to discuss with you. So please watch the video and subscribe the channel. Share this video to your friends. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me. Okay. I will reply to you soon. Okay. Now, so let us go for the question that find the value of cos square 5 degrees plus cos square 10 degrees plus cos square 360 degrees. So on cos square 360 degrees we need to find. Okay. So you can consider that here if suppose if A plus B equal to 90 degrees, if angle A and angle B are 90 degrees, then we can write cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1. If A plus B equal to 90 degrees, then we can write cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1. Let us see that how it is. So here if A plus B equal to 90, then B equal to we can write 90 minus A. Yes, B equal to how much? 90 minus A we can write. So here also cos square A plus, in the place of B I am writing here 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A whole square. This square we can write as whole square, which is equal to 1. Whether 1 is or not, let us prove that. So cos square A plus cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So that is sin square A. Cos sin square A plus cos square A equal to how much? 1. So we proved. So cos square A plus cos square A plus cos square B we can write as 1. Okay. If A plus B equal to 90 degrees, then we can write cos square A plus cos square B equal to 1. Let us see in the series I am writing. So cos square 5 degrees plus cos square 10 degrees plus so on cos square 80 degrees plus cos square 85 degrees plus cos square 90 degrees plus cos square 95 degrees, so on cos square, we can write this series in this manner. Okay. Now cos square 175 degrees plus cos square, can write. So cos square 180 degrees plus cos square 185 degrees, so on cos square 265 degrees plus cos square 270 degrees plus cos square 275 degrees, so on cos square 355 degrees plus cos square 360 degrees. So up to here we can write. So given series we can write in this manner first. Okay. So you can take first cos square 5 to cos square 85 you can consider. In this I am going to simplify first. See cos square 5 plus cos square 85 I am writing together. So 5 plus 85 we will get 90. So then cos square A plus cos square B, cos square 5 plus cos square 85, so 5 plus 85 90, so then we can write 1. Yes, so cos square plus cos square 85 plus cos square 10 plus cos square 80, so like this. So I am explaining this fully, so then you can get a full clarity. Cos square 15 degrees plus cos square 75 degrees, cos square 20 degrees plus cos square 70 degrees plus cos square 25 degrees plus cos square 65 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees plus cos square 60 degrees plus cos square 35 degrees plus cos square 55 degrees plus cos square 40 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees plus cos square 45 degrees. So this in this, so we can write like this. So between cos square 5 degrees and cos square 85 degrees, we can write. I simplified this term alone. In these terms alone, this 17 terms alone I am simplifying. So we can write in this manner. So here we can, I am pairing that cos square 5, cos square 85 is one pair, and cos square 10, cos square 80, cos square 15, cos square 75, cos square 20, cos square 70, cos square 25, cos square 65. These two are one pair. So this, like this, if you make a pair, so leftover terms, here cos square is single term will be left over. So how many pairs we will get? So 8 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. So each pair will give the answer as 1. Cos square theta plus cos square a plus cos square b equal to 1. If a plus b equal to 90. 5 plus 85, 90. 10 plus 80, 90. 15 plus 75. So these and all we will get 90 only. So then this value is equal to 1. And this, so how many terms we have? 8. So that is 8 will come. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus. Okay. So plus cos square 45. Cos square 45 is how much? Okay. See, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 45 equal to, we can write 1 by root 2. Cos square 45 equal to 1 by 2. So you can write 1 by 2. So this is equal to 8.5. That is, you can write 17 by 2. Okay. So what is the sum of the value of cos square 5 degrees to cos square 85 degrees? 17 by 2 we will get. So likewise, okay. So you can write this cos square. I am writing this. So you can leave this cos square 90 degrees and cos square 180 degrees. I am marking, you can, no need to write this any pairs. Cos square 180 and cos square 270 and cos square 360. Okay, so this term. So now we can leave like that only and write remaining terms. So I am writing together cos square 95 degrees plus cos square 100 degrees. Similarly, cos square 170 degrees plus cos square 175 degrees. And the next is, okay, you can leave cos square 180 like that only. I am writing in this is. Now, similarly, cos square 195 degrees plus cos square 200 plus so on, cos square, you can write 260 degrees plus cos square 265 degrees. You can leave that 270 alone. Next series, cos square 275 plus cos square 280 plus so on, cos square 255, 350 plus cos square 355 we will get. So that is, you can write, so cos square 360. You can write lastly. Okay, see. Now, in this series I am writing cos square 95 degrees and writing together cos square 95, cos square 175. Okay, so like that if you write together, so it becomes cos square 95 degrees plus cos square 175 degrees plus cos square 100 degrees plus cos square 170 degrees. If you write two numbers like this together, so you will get lastly you will get like this, same like this, you will get 8 pairs you will get. Okay, so first we simplify this. So that values, these values how much you will get, those each pair value also you will get the same value, and one term is left over alone in these. That is, which term is cos square 135 degrees. Okay, see, simplify here. First, cos square 95 degrees we can write as cos 95, we can write as cos 90 plus 5 whole square plus cos 175 we can write as cos 180 minus 5 whole square. See here, cos 90 plus theta, cos 90 plus theta sin theta. So cos in 90 plus 5, 90 plus theta in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is negative, that is minus sin 5 degrees whole square. This is cos 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant cos is negative or positive? Negative, cos 5 degrees whole square. So if it is a negative number, if you do the square, it becomes a positive. So sin square 5 degrees plus cos square 5 degrees, we will get as 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So like that, if you simplify, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus, you will get the same number of series. Here 8 terms we have now. Here also you will get same 8 terms, and this cos square 135. Cos square 135 value is how much? Cos square, that 135 we can write as 90 plus 45 whole square. So this we can write as cos 90 plus 45, cos 90 plus theta, so that is sin theta. Cos is in the second quadrant minus sin 45 whole square. So sin 45 is how much? 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 whole square, that is equal to 1 by 2. So this value is 1 by 2 only. Okay. Now, so these and all values also you will get 8.5 only you will get. Yes, so this bracket, this value is equal to 8.5. Yes or no? So these values you got 8.5, and here 195 to 175 also, that value also you will get 8.5, and you can take cos square 185, cos square 185 to cos square 265 plus cos square 190 plus cos square 260. I am writing cos square 195 plus cos square 265 together, and cos square 200 and cos square, sorry it is 195 200 no? It is increase. Okay, so cos square 185, sorry I took here 185 you can take, and 190 you can take. Okay, so 185 265 plus 195, so 190 260. So if you take in this series, so what is the term is left over? Cos square 225 is alone we have. So these two together, simplify these two and these two values. So will you get or not? How much value you will get? Let us see here. Cos square 185. So this I am writing as cos 180 plus 5 whole square plus cos square 265 cos 270 minus 5 whole square. Okay. So cos 180 plus theta. So 180 plus theta, third quadrant. Cos in the third quadrant is negative or positive? Negative. So minus cos 5 whole square plus here cos 270 minus theta, that is third quadrant. In the third quadrant, so 3 into 90 minus theta, it becomes so sin 5 minus sin 5 whole square. In the third quadrant, this is 270, so odd multiple of 90, so 3 into 90 minus 5, odd multiple of 90 means we can write cos becomes sin minus sin 5 whole square, so minus cos 5 whole square is, we can write cos square 5, here this minus sin 5 whole square is sin square 5. So this value is also equal to 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So if you simplify this value also 1, and this value also 1, and if you simplify this cos square 225 also, that is cos square 180 plus 45 we can write whole square So cos 180 plus 45, third quadrant. So 2 into 90, so even multiple it is. So cos becomes cos only, minus cos 45 whole square. So that is minus cos 45 means, so cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So minus 1 by root 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2 alone. So this value is 1 by 2. Similarly, so how much we are getting in this? In this also we will get, so for this also 1 plus 1 plus, in how many terms, how many pairs like this we have in this expansion? So 8 only. So 8 plus half, this value also equal to 8 and half. How much? 8 and half. Next what we have here? So next 275 to cos 275 to cos 355, 275 355 and plus cos 280 and 340, cos 350, cos square 350. So if you take like this, in this what is the leftover term in the middle? Cos square in this series. So 270 plus, so 315 degrees is left over. Okay, let us see. So cos square 275 I am writing as cos 270 plus theta, 270 plus 5 whole square, and this cos square 355 I am writing cos square 360 minus 5 whole square. So let us see how much value we will get for this. So cos 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant cos is positive only. So this odd multiple of 90. So this cos becomes sin. So sin 5 whole square plus cos 360, fourth quadrant. So cos 5 whole square. So fourth quadrant cos is positive, yes. So here 360 is the even multiple of 90. So then we can write as cos 5. So sin square 5 plus cos square 5 equal to how much? 1. So if you simplify like this, you will get, so this value also, this pair also will give 1. So like this, in this expansion also we have 8 pairs we have. So if you add this 315 value, so cos square 315, that is we can write cos 270 plus 45, again 45 only will get whole square. So 270 plus 45, fourth quadrant. So odd multiple of 90 this is, so sin 45 equal to whole square equal to 1 by root 2 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 2. So this value is how much? 1 by 2. So this pair also we will get the answer as 8 and half. Okay, so now leftover terms. So what we left here in the series? Cos square 90. So let us find those values. Cos square 90 plus cos square 180 plus cos square 270 plus cos square 360. So cos square 90, that is we can write cos 90 is how much? Cos 90 is 0. Cos 90 is how much? 0. So that cos square 90, 0 square is 0 only. Next, cos square 180. Cos square 180 values we know that is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 whole square is plus 1 will come. Next, cos square 270. Cos square 270, this we can write as, so this is equal to 0 alone. So this we can write cos square 270, cos square 180 plus 90. So 180 plus 90 means cos 90 only. Cos minus cos 90 whole square is cos square 90. Cos square 90 is nothing but a 0. And cos square 360. Cos square 360 is cos 180 plus 180. So that is minus 1 whole square. So which is equal to 1. Minus 1 whole square is 1. And minus 1 whole square is 1, which is equal to 2. So we have the special terms, the sum of the special terms, how much we got? 2. And remaining in the series, this is 8.5 and this is 8.5, this is 8.5, 8.5. So 8.5, that is nothing but a 17 by 2. Yes. So the total sum is equal to 17 by 2 into 4. How many 8.5s we have? 4 8.5s. So 8.5 plus 8.5 plus 8.5 plus 8.5. So you will get, that is 17 by 2 into 4 plus 2 you will do. So 2 1s are 2 2s are 7 2s are 4, 34, 34 plus 2, 36. Okay, so this is the answer for the given question. It's a very easy. So if you understand, okay, try to do once again. Okay, so by seeing this video you can practice yourself. If you practice this is 2-3 times, it will easy to come to you. Okay, thank you for watching.